Many athletes cross-train by regularly incorporating a related skill or task into their workout routine. A swimmer, for example, goes on a run once or twice a week. A runner completes one or more bike workouts each week. By cross-training, athletes push their cardiovascular fitness in a different way. It complements the skill they're trying to build. It can help prevent burnout and injury along the way. There's a lot to like about cross-training, and it's not just for athletes. In this video, I'll explain what it means to cross-train and how you can incorporate it into your learning routine. Let's get started. If you're joining me for the first time, then welcome. I'm Amy, and on this channel, I talk about learning, programming, and skill building. Let's dive into it. When I trained for half marathons, I cross-trained twice per week by completing bike workouts. Now, initially, I did this to prevent injury, but I got something more in return. I got into the best running shape of my life. By biking twice per week, instead of running, I still got a good cardiovascular workout in, but I saved my legs in the process. This left me feeling great for my next running workout. My legs were rested and ready to go. Cross-training is useful for intellectual pursuits as well. Cross-train your brain to improve your mental fitness by regularly incorporating a related skill or task into your learning routine. Now, I knew firsthand the benefits of cross-training from my running days, so when I began to learn to program, I began to cross-train. I worked through a logic course, for example, and began solving math problems. These were useful activities because both involved logical thinking, and so does programming. By cross-training, I get practice thinking logically in a different context. That is a key point, so let me say it again. Get practice in a different context. Changing context forces you to think differently, use a variety of tactics, and see things from another perspective. It also forces you outside of your comfort zone, which is where you want to be because this is where you're going to learn and grow the most. These are all reasons why you should give cross-training a try. Once you identify a cross-training method, then apply it at least once per week. Consistency is critical to reap the benefits and the best results. I like to identify my cross-training days and tactics on Sundays, which is when I create my weekly plan for the week ahead. During this time, I identify the days I'll cross-train and what cross-training tactics I'll use. Then, I make a note in my calendar with this information. Identifying my cross-training days in advance has another powerful benefit. It holds me accountable. So there you have it. Whether you're competing in a marathon or a math competition, you should give cross-training a try. And when you do, I'd like to hear from you. So please leave a comment at the end of this video and let me know about your learning journey and your cross-training techniques. And if you want to hear more about learning, programming, and skill building, then please hit that subscribe button right now. Thank you so much for watching and make it an effective day.